Hi friends, this video shows how to connect car charger and recharge this Qubo inflator. See, this is a car charger. So we get this car charger with this product. And this end we need to connect to car. This 12 volt adapter. Then this end we can connect to this inflator. And here on the bottom you can see one port. So here we can connect. Okay. So this way we can recharge using this car charger. So if you want to recharge using mobile charger, you can use this USB Type-C port, this small port. This is USB Type-C input port. So if you want to recharge your mobile phone using this inflator, you can use this output port. You can connect one USB cable here, then other end of the USB cable you can connect to your mobile phone and you can recharge your mobile phone. Okay, so you can try this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video.